Hey everybody, Ryan Mosley with NP Dodge here in Omaha. I just wanted to come out and show a listing which is up here in Omaha. It's a very unique listing, I guess you could say. If you are looking for a tiny living home, this is probably exactly what you want. Maybe. I'm curious what you guys think of this. It's 300 square feet. I'm looking at it right now. It's a brick building. I'm going to take you over and show you in just a second here, but as you're going to see, it's a unique listing. It was once a OPPD well house, and they converted it into a home, I guess you could say. And, well, let me just flip the camera around and I'll show you what I'm talking about here. So I got it opened up. Couldn't get the lights to come on for some reason, but I want to show you what it looks like inside here. Hopefully the camera does well in low light. 300 square foot. I'm going to actually put this in a little bit of a zoom out. So there you go. You can see a little bit more of it. 300 square foot. Very unique listing. They still got obviously some of the equipment in here. I don't know that you can take that out, but they put a tabletop, bar top on it. Got some bar stools behind there. You've got pretty hefty fuse boxes in here. I don't know what I would use those for, but you've got a refrigerator in here. You've got your bedroom here, and you've got this other little additional room with obviously outside access to get in there. Storage. Maybe you could convert it into a bathroom. I don't know. But I wanted to show you this just because I thought it was pretty cool, pretty unique. And I'd love to hear from you guys. What would you do with this space? It's 300 square foot. No bathroom in here yet. It's a good sized lot, and it's listed for $70,000. Looks like there's some ventilation in here. I don't know if it's AC or not. No windows. Good tornado shelter. But let me know what you think in the comments. Would you use this as a unique Airbnb? Would you send your mother-in-law to stay here when she's in town? How would you use this space? And if you want to come take a look at it, I'd be happy to show you. Just reach out.